They want to keep everything original. Ladies, mother grew up in this home, so it's very important. This is a big old cast iron tub. Been neglected a little bit. Okay, this bathtub is done. Woohoo! Should be shiny too. Gonna put the drain back in tomorrow. Okay, so in this kitchen, we're going to create a stain on these countertops. Got a couple repairs to do. Chips. A couple of seams. And we're going to lighten it up, right?
Yeah.
Lighten her up and go graze. Cool. Looking forward to it. Alright. So this countertop is done. This is a create a stain. We got veins in our create a stains. This is a semi-gloss, so it'll be flattening out a little bit in the next few hours. Yep. Bada bing. Okay, so here's a bathroom that really needs a renovation. But everything's in a good place. I mean, location-wise, everything works perfect. The problem is, we got a pink bathtub, we got a pink sink, we got a ugly floor with terrible colors in it, and same thing with the toilet. So really, all this needs is an update. All the towel holders, sorry, but Redskins colors don't work in bathrooms unless you're David Jenkins. But anyway, I'm going to give this thing a makeover for a fraction of the cost than a renovation. And you're going to see that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make this look incredible. Again, I'm going to do that. So here we go. Are you ready to see it? Yeah. All right. Come on in.
Ready?
Yep, we're recording our reaction to the...
Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord.
I got to clean the mirror yet.
I cannot believe this.
Pretty cool, huh?
I'm telling you. Isn't that beautiful the way that turned out?
Isn't that great?
Oh, that is great.
Still
Oh
gotta
my
paint,
goodness.
you got to paint the walls yet.
I do.
But-
I do.
And I got to wipe the bathtub out. There's a couple of flies in there.
That is beautiful. You said it would be beautiful, and it is.
Go ahead, check it out.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Did you sand out that little thing you said?
Yep,
you
I
had
did.
to
Careful
sand?
not to touch the countertop. It's a little bit soft
Okay.
yet.
Okay.
But, yeah, pretty neat.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, people would think that's like real stone right there. But it's not.
That is marvelous. I can't believe the transformation. It's just unreal.
Yeah, pretty
It's
neat.
unreal.
So the switch plate covers are old and yellow, so I'd replace those. They're like $2. Well, the toilet's new.
It just looks fantastic.
Yeah, let's stand though. I took care of it.
Oh, you got the thing back up. Oh, great.
Yep.
Can you believe what you did yourself?
Sometimes. Hello, I'm John Fichtner. I own Fichtner Services. We've been in business for 30 years as a home improvements company. We have evolved to, rather than gutting kitchens and bathrooms and replacing everything, we leave everything right where it's at, resurface it all, give it a great new updated look for a fraction of the cost. So this option allows them to save thousands of dollars on every job that we do because we're not replacing anything. There's nothing wrong with the cabinets most of the time. They're just ugly. And same thing with the countertops. They might be super functional. The color's just not right. Or maybe you have a crack in it or something and you think you just can't fix that. Well, you can, and you can make it beautiful when it's done. It's awesome. So I plan to take this countertop, which is just an off-white ceramic tile, and resurface it to give it a multi-stone gray look. This is going to look so good that it will fool an appraiser. It's so much cheaper than tearing them all out and putting all new cabinets in that, it blows it away. Monetarily, it's ridiculously cheaper. We're going to paint these cabinets white, and they're going to be extremely durable, more durable than what they are now. So in this kitchen, we resurfaced the countertops, we resurfaced the cabinets, we resurfaced the sink. It was a really heavy, nice sink, so we resurfaced it. We installed a new faucet set, and we painted all the walls. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate that. If you've got a kitchen or bathroom that you'd like to have renovated without throwing everything in the landfill somewhere, give us a jingle. Visit our website at FichtnerServicesInc.com. Thank you.